Fit in our T6.1 replacement wing mirror unit. Start off by removing the plastic door handle cover using a trim tool. These video clips show the location of the bolts. Remove the door handle screws using a T30 Torx bit. Remove the screw that sits alongside the speaker using a T20 Torx bit and loosen the lower bolts by a quarter turn using a 10mm spanner. Next, remove the door card by loosening the clips around the edge. A trim tool may be handy to remove these clips. This will reveal the required wiring. Disconnect the wires in the following order: door handle connection, electric window connection, wing mirror connection, and remove the rubber bung. Continue to disconnect the DAB aerial and using a 10mm spanner, remove the bolt that connects the wire to the door. Remove the following 3 Torx bolts using a T30 Torx bit. Then remove the original wing mirror and the wiring by carefully pulling the wiring through the door. Rethread the wiring from the new unit. While holding it into place, finger tighten the inner door panel screws to secure the unit. Once correctly lined up, tighten the screws using a T30 Torx bit. Reconnect the wires, starting with the main wing mirror connector, followed by the DAB cable. Screw the wire into place with a 10mm socket. Connect the electric window and the door handle cable. Finish off by refitting your rubber bung. Please bear in mind, the replacement unit does not come with a DAB cable. You'll be required to use the original wiring. If your van requires a DAB cable, remove the cover and the protective DAB plastic from the hook of the original unit. Remove the following screw. This will enable you to remove the black box unit. Then, the corresponding wire will need to be unplugged and removed from the van. You'll need to follow these steps in reverse in order to fit the cable to the new unit. Once the DAB cable has been connected, refit the door card, making sure all of the clips have been placed correctly. Then, retighten all bolts, including the lower ones. Finally, refit your door handle trim. Shop now at www.vidotransporters.co.uk.